What's up everyone, today I'm gonna draw Silver the Hedgehog. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now let's begin with drawing the crests on his head. So I'm gonna draw from the middle point of the eye a curved line going up to the side and then slightly to the side and then extend it all the way out until that point. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back towards the head, and this time we're gonna make it a little bit distant than the line we just made and stop there. And then I'm gonna do another going slightly up and out, and then make a sharp turn back in towards the center. Then the other one, I'm gonna start from here and draw a curved line outwards and up, and then make a sharp turn back in towards the center. And then the fourth one, I'm gonna start from here and draw a curved line upwards and then make a sharp turn down again. And then the last one, I'm gonna draw to the right a curved line and then go up and then down and out. And then I'm gonna make a sharp turn, curved line downwards and to the left and down, slightly up and go back to the center of the eye. Now next is I'm gonna draw his mouth. So I'm gonna start from the point, the tip of his nose in the center here, and draw a curved line outwards to the left and down, then go slightly up, and at the sides I'm gonna make a semicircle turn downwards and back to the right and stop there. Then I'm gonna go back to the right cheek and start at this point here, draw a curved line up and make a semicircle turn back to the nose. So for his nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner, and then we're gonna make a curved line to the right and up, and then I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn back to the left and downwards like that. And then at the tip of the nose, I'm gonna draw a small circle, and then we will fill up the black part. Now for the left corner of his eye, I'm gonna do a curved line from this point here upwards to the crest and turn it slightly to the right as you reach the top. And then we're gonna do another one offset to the left like that, and we can fill that in with black color. Now for his pupils, we're gonna draw an oval shape in the center of his left eye here, and on the bottom where the cheek is, so we're gonna draw an oval there. And inside of that oval, I'm gonna draw another small oval And at the top corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw a small circle, and we can fill the pupils in with black color. And for his right eye here, I'm gonna draw a curved line there and another one there. And then for the right corner of the right eye, I'm gonna draw from the cheek here all the way up to the crescent a curved line up, and another one slightly off to the right, like that, and fill that in. Now for his ears, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape at this corner here, like that, and inside of that shape I'm gonna trace the outline there. And then for the left side, we're gonna draw a similar shape like that, and the outline inside. Now for his mouth, we're gonna draw on the left corner of his mouth here a curved line, tilted curved line from this corner down diagonally to the right, and then another curved line below that, starting from this corner and going further in the center and going back at that corner. Now below his cheek, we're gonna draw a curved line from the shoulder here and go up, and then turn it to the right and make a semicircle downwards, and then slightly down, and then we're gonna make a sharp turn upwards again to the left, and then we're gonna make a zigzag pattern down and up and end it at the shoulder. On his right cheek here, I'm just gonna extend that point up to the neck piece. And for his left shoulder, I'm gonna draw a line outwards diagonally to the left here, and then the lower line of the arm slightly below. Now I'm gonna draw his fingers, so I'm gonna start with the thumb. So I'm gonna draw a curved line at this corner here, and then turn it to the right and make a semicircle turn back down and to the side, and then go down and up, and then make another turn down and up, and then up to the sides and make a semicircle turn back in, go down, and then go back up and make a semicircle turn down, and then repeat the same shape for the other fingers. And then I'm gonna draw his wristband. So I'm gonna draw a curved line on this corner here. Then I'm gonna extend the arms line all the way to that wristband there. And below the thumb here, I'm gonna extend that line from the upper side and make a turn all the way to the palm there. And on his palm, I'm gonna draw a circle like that, and another circle inside like that. Now going back to his tummy on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the neck piece and diagonally to the right and down, and then turn it back to the left. And then from this point, I'm gonna draw his legs with a curved line downwards, and then another one for the back line, and extend it all the way towards the thumb, and then make a turn to the side and down, and then make a sharp turn back up to the thumb. And then for his tails, I'm gonna draw from this point here a curved line outwards and make a sharp turn back in. And then there's another spike here, so I'm gonna do from this point here going down and make a sharp turn up. Now going back to the foot, I'm gonna draw his boots on the left here, so I'm gonna draw across a curved line below the line of the legs that we've done earlier, and on both sides I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and then below that I'm gonna join them together with the curved line across, and we're gonna trace the same slightly below that, and then on the sides I'm gonna connect the 2 points together with a curved line there, and then on both sides of the boots I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards and then outwards on the left and extend it down. And then for the right side I'm gonna draw a curved line down and a curved line to the sides as well and to the front of the boot. And then for the base of the boots I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front, and then I'm gonna turn that slightly up and make a curve there and down, and then extend it all the way to the front. And then at the heels here I'm gonna take this point here and draw a line to the front and turn it down as you go to the front and extend it all the way to the front. Now halfway to the front of the shoes I'm gonna draw a line, a curved line, a semicircle line across from the front to the side. And then for the middle of the shoes I'm gonna take a point up above the boots here and draw a line downwards to that curved line in front, and then in the right section here I'm gonna draw a line there and another one on the right side and join the two together at the lowest point with a line across, and then offset that inside. I'm gonna trace the same line there like that. And then for his right legs I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point here out and down, and then make a sharp turn to the left, and then for the inner line of that leg I'm gonna trace the same shape and turn it to the left, and then I'm gonna do a semicircle line to join the 2 points together, and then offset around that curve I'm gonna draw a semicircle line surrounding that. And then on the lower point here I'm gonna draw a diagonal line towards the left, and behind the left leg here I'm gonna draw the heels of the right shoe with a curved line to the side, and then turn it down to the left shoe and go up there. And then for the base of the shoe I'm gonna trace the lower line on this location, and then a curved line halfway to the front of the shoes there. Now I'm gonna draw another spike just above that boots there. So I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line down and turn it up. For his right arms, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards and to the right, and then make a turn upwards. And then for the outer line of that arm, I'm gonna draw a line outwards and turn it up to the right. And then I'm gonna draw his wristband, so I'm gonna draw a line diagonally to the left and down, and at that ending point I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across the wrist, and then another diagonal line on this side, and then a semicircle line there. And then I'm gonna draw his thumb, so we're gonna draw a semicircle line here and extend it upwards, and then make a semicircle turn back to the right. And then I'm gonna go back to this point here and draw a curved line out, and then turn it up on the sides, and then I'm gonna extend it all the way to the thumb and stop there. And then I'm gonna create another curved line to the front and to the thumb and make a semicircle turn downwards. And then I'm gonna pick this point here and draw a curved line to the thumb and a semicircle. I'm gonna copy that shape again and again, and this time at the end of that finger I'm gonna turn it to the side like that, and then I'm gonna add a bracket. Now for his wristband, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line inside of that wristband, and then another one. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side like that. Now I'm gonna go back behind the crest. I'm gonna take this point here and draw his biggest spike. So we're gonna draw a curved line towards the finger like that, and then extend that beyond that finger all the way to the sides and make a sharp turn back, and then a line here, and extend it to the back of the head. And then I'm gonna make a turn, a curved turn towards the neck piece like that. Now on the right side of the face, I'm gonna draw another spike there to the arms.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.